Life is like a sandwich. A birth has a one slice and death has a other slice. What you put in between the slice up to you. Is your sandwich is tasty or sour? Types of memory. Semiconductor memories. A device for storing the digital information that is fabricated by using the integrated circuit technology is known as a semiconductor memory. Semiconductor is a main memory element of the microcomputer based systems. Semiconductor memory is used to store the program and data. A semiconductor memory stores the code and information permanently. It is directly accessed by the microprocessor. It is compatible with the operating time of the microprocessors. Types of memories. It is a semiconductor memory or devices are performed as a primary memory based on the interruptions of the semiconductors. A memory, there are memories, there have a number of technologies and the types of memories that have emerged. Mainly are two memories, it is a RAM and ROM. A semiconductor memories are split into two types according to the way in which the memory operates. That is, the semiconductor memory technologies are mainly divided into two. It is RAM and ROM. It is a random access memory and read-only memory. A RAM is mainly divided into two types. It is a dynamic memory and static memory. And ROM is divided into P memory and M memory. A P memory is again divided into a EPROM and EPPROM and flash memory and PCM. A flash memory is also divided into NOR and NAND. A RAM, it is a random access memory. RAM is used for reading and writing the data in order. A random access memory is used in huge quantities in computer applications. Current days, computing and processing technologies requires a large amount of memory to enable them to handle the memory hunger application used today. A RAM is subdivided into two. It is a random access memory and dynamic memory. Dynamic memory is a form of a random access memory. DRAM uses capacitors to store each bit of the data. The level of charging on each capacitor determines bit is zero, logically 0 or 1. These capacitors do not hold their charge identically, and data needs to be refreshed periodically. As a result of this dynamic refreshing, it gains its name of being a dynamic memory. A DRAM is a form of a semiconductor memory that is often used in a requirement equipment, including the personal computers and network stations. The semiconductor devices are normally available as an integrated circuit for use in a PCB assembly in the form of a surface. SRAM, static memory, random access memory. SRAM stands for static random access memory. The data does not need to be refreshed dynamically. The semiconductor devices are able to support a faster read and write times. These customs are more power as SRAM also less and more expensive than the DRAM. And the SRAM is normally used for caches cache memories. While DRAM is used as the main semiconductor memory technology, and the SRAM is again divided into two RAMs. It is a SDRAM and MRAM. The random access, it is a read-only memory. A RAM is a form of a semiconductor memory technology used where the data is written once and then need not change. A RAM is also called as a permanent memory. Then the power turns off. When the power turns off, the data not be removed. The BIOS of a computer will be stored in a RAM. Writing the data into a RAM essentially may requires special hardware. A RAM is mainly divided into two types. It is a PROM and MROM. A PROM, it is a semiconductor memory which can only have a data written to it. A PROM stores its data as a change and charge on a capacitor. This type of a semiconductor memory is used to be widely used in the applications where the form of ROM was required. A PRAM again subdivided into four types. It is a PRAM, EEPRAM, and flash memory and PCM. A EEPRAM, it is a erasable programmable read-only memory. This of this of a semiconductor memory can be programmed and then the erased at a later time. This is normally achieved by exposing the silicons and ultraviolet light. The PRAM is in use. It is the window is normally covered by the lated laptops. IEPRAM, it is a electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. The data can be written to it and it can be erased using an electrical voltage. The contents of the memory, even when the power is turned off, the EEPROM and the other not faster than the RAM. IEP, EEPROM memory call cells are made from the floating the gate MOSFET. Flash memory may be considered as a development of the EEPROM technology. A Flash memory may be considered as a development of the EEPRAM technology. It is also a non-volatile. Data can be read on an individual cell basis. Data can be written to it and it can be erased. The flash memory is widely used in the main applications including the memory cards for in digital cameras, mobile phones, computer memory sticks and many other applications. The memory cells are made from the FMOS, FGMOS, it is the MOSFETs. These have ability to store an electrical charges for an extended of a time. It is a 2 to 10 hours, 10 years, even not connecting to the power supply. A PCM RAM, PCM, it is a phase change memory. This of the semiconductor memory is known as a phase change memory. It is based around a phenomenon where a form of a charcoal-generated glasses. It is a charcoal-generated glasses charges between an amorphous state and a polycrystalline state. This type of a memory is currently not be widely commercialized. Other forms of a memory are even around the home in the form of USBs, a memory sticks, compact flash CF cards or SD memory cards for cameras, hard drives for computers. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.